Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and taking good care of yourself and are safe also. So today we are going to learn Indian place value system. In Indian place value system, the place values name is known as ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. What else besides this we will learn? We will learn how to divide the place values into periods. As we are having periods in our school to make it convenient for ourselves to learn different subjects, similarly, we divide the place values into periods to make it easier for us to write and read the numbers. So the first three digit comes under one group and that group's name is ones. That group name is ones. Second group is made up of two digits together or two place values together, that is of 1000 and 10,000, and name of that group is thousands. Third group is made up of again two place values or you can say two digits together, that is of lakh and 10 lakh, and the name of that group is lakhs. And fourth group is known as crores, and under that also comes two place values or two digits, that is crore and 10 crore. So what we will do to make it simpler for us, before every period, this is by one of the period. So before every period, or you can say in between two periods, we place commas. So at the beginning of the period, we place one comma. At the beginning of the second period or between two periods, that is between lakh and thousand, we will place another comma, second comma, and between crores and lakh or before two digits of lakhs, we will place third comma. It will help us in reading and writing number properly, carefully, correctly. So first row is known as period, second row shows places, and in third row we are having place values. Means if I am going to write 1 over here, that 1 remains 1. If I am going to write 1 over here under the tens, then that 1 is having which value, how much value of 10. If I am going to write 2 over here, then 2 means not simply 2 but 2 tens, that is 20. If I am going to write 3 under here, under the 100 head, then that 3 is having which place value, of how much place value that 3 is having, of 300. 3 into 100, 300, because 1 is having 100, 2 is having 200 value, and 3 is having 300. Whatever digit is over here, that will be multiplied by 100. Similarly for the rest of the places. Let us take some figures with us to learn how to put comma. We know that our first period is made up of 3 digits together. So our first comma will come before 3 digits. Second period is of 2 digits together. So second comma will come before 2 digits. And third period is also of 2 digits. So third comma will come before again 2 digits. Similarly for the other number, first comma will come before 3 digits because my first period is having 3 place values in it, that is of ones, tens and 100. So first comma will come before 100. Second place value, second group is of two place values, 1000 and 10,000. So second comma will come before 2 digits, that is of 1000 and 10,000 before 4. Third comma we have to place before third group. Third group is again of 2 digits. So put the third comma before 2 of the digits. So from here we can see that our first comma in according to Indian place value system comes before 3 digit. But rest of the commas we place after every 2 digit. So to make it easier to now read and write What you have to do, just write the place values at the top of the digits. At the top of the digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore. You have to read two digits together under the same period. So 23 crore, 45 lakh, 67,089. And in the same manner you have to write the number name. If you have to write the number name, then in the same manner. So now it become easier for us to read 97 what? 97 crore. 65, read two digits together. 97 crore, 65 lakh, 43,210. Similarly, we will write the number name for the number. The number name for the first of the number, one period together, 23 what? 23 crore. So we will write 23 what? 23 crore. Next is 45 lakh. Under the head, lakhs. So write 45. How much? The next period is lakh. So 45 lakh. Next is 67. That comes under the head thousand. So we will write for that 67,000. And at last, what is there? Nothing at hundreds place value, only 89. So what we will write? 89. Next number is 97. 97 what? The first, last group you can say, or from, if you are going to read, we will read from highest place value or the last group. So 97 crore. So here we will write the number name as 97 what? Crore. Next is 65 what? Lakh. Third group is, name of that is lakh. So 65 under which head? Lakh. Second group 43 what? Thousand. So we will write 43,000. And at last, what is given? 210. So we will write 210. In this manner you have to do your work today. Thank you, students.